So in this video, we'll be looking at how you can claim Solana. So you'll be able to claim Solana if you are active in Solana. So for every trade you trade on Solana, you pay something known as rent fee. So any token you buy on Solana, you pay something known as rent fee. So a lot of you have rent fee in your Solana wallet, but you don't know. But with this link, you'll be able to claim your rent fee back. So I'm using this wallet. This wallet has zero Solana, just to show you that you can claim your rent fee using this platform without any gas fee. Use it without any gas fee, because this platform they are going to pay your gas fee for you. They're going to pay your gas fee for you. So let me show you the platform you have to use. So this is it. This is the platform we found your soul. So let's go to it. So I'm using SafePower wallet for this. So this is an empty wallet that does not have any Solana. I've used to trade Solana once, so I'm using for this. So I'll connect my wallet, connect my SafePower. I'll scroll down. So now I have like $1 worth of Solana to claim. So I need to close 4 accounts and pay rent fee. So I go to bond. So there is no like a token to bond, because I'm holding no token in this wallet. So there's no token to bond. So let's go and claim my rent fee. So I need to close all these accounts because I have 4 accounts that have paid rent fee. So you can see I have zero balance of Solana. So this platform is going to pay my gas fee. So I'll click on the confirm button to claim my rent fee. So it has been claimed. You can see my balance has increased. So for every person you refer, you get 35% for every rent fee they claim. So I have no token to bond. I have no token to bond. So there's no token to bond here. So now I've claimed my rent fee back. So you can use it to claim any rent fee for any of your Solana wallet you have used to trade or do any. And you can also copy your referral code and share to your friends. So you can see now my balance has increased. Before it was $0 here. Now I've claimed my revenue. You can see this wallet was empty. So although it was empty, I was able to claim it without needing a gas fee, because this platform pays my gas fee for me. So the link is on the description. The link is on the description below. Just copy the link, take it to any of your Solana wallets that you have used to trade, buy into or do any activities. Then you will see if you have if you see if you have a rent fee to claim. So you don't need to worry about gas. The wallet can be empty, but you still able to claim, like the way I show in this example. So I use this wallet to show you that here's an empty wallet that has not been active for over a year. I took it, claimed it, and you saw that it was zero, and now you can see the balance $1 plus. So this is how to do it. So see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.